I'm RJ Holbrook, CEO of Holbrook Heating. So I get asked all the time, what do you guys do with HVAC? And it's a really pretty simple answer. It's everything and anything to do with HVAC. We are a full-service HVAC company, from estimates for replacement to the newest technology, zero-emission heat pumps, to geothermal, to radiant in-floor, to commercial build-outs, anything, service, repair, anything that you need. Heat, air conditioning, there's very little that we can't touch. Simplest answer I can give.
It's just not throwing a unit on the roof and walking away. It really comes down to making sure that we're putting the right system in, that the system is balanced correctly, and that as efficient as possible too. We really take the time listening to an owner's issues with a building. It's too cold here, it's too hot here. It's that customer first mentality.
I take a lot of pride in taking care of the customer, getting to know the customer and their needs, whether they need something now or not. I tell my sales guys all the time, people don't know what they have in their basement or their attic. A lot of times we go to a house and they don't even know where their furnace is. So it's our job to go there and educate them on what they do have and what they could have and the benefits of what they could save on their utility bills. There's a lot of brands out there that people offer. Now we offer a few that we trust. For example, with the heat pumps, I actually purchased one for my house and put it in to make sure that the quality of it was good, and I ran it for about a year before we offered it to our customers, because we don't want to offer them something that we want to put in our homes.
I'm proud that we have a family company that, not just from the owners, Jeff, Mark, and myself, but all the staff. A lot of people wear pride in wearing the Holbrook name and shirt and take pride in the work that they do because of the company that we are.
We've been around for a long time. We know what we're doing. We're committed to our customers. We're the company that people call when other companies cannot make it to their homes, and we don't leave them hanging.
And that's how we win. We win together, and we start with the customer and work our way backwards. And that's what we've done. Streamlined processes, being available 7 days a week, taking these phone calls, providing the answers that the customer need. That's where we have gotten better as a team, and we're going to continue to grow.
All our managers that go out in the field and work every day, they know from RJ, Mark, and myself what our values are, what we stand for. And they exude that out into the field. I feel moving forward that the next generation is going to carry on the legacy of what we have all built here.